Well, if you hold a US green card or are preparing to file for a US citizenship, an escalating trend of USCIS issuing notices to appear, it could put your permanent residency status at risk. For decades, lawful permanent residents assumed that once an adjustment of status application was approved, their legal standing in the US it was completely secured. However, immigration attorneys across the country are issuing emergency warnings to the Indian diaspora and corporate migrants. Ladies and gentlemen, the Department of Homeland Security and USCIS have begun issuing a new kind of notice. It is called Form 1862, known as Notice to Appear or NTA to a long term green card holder. Now, an NTA officially initiates removal proceeding in immigration court. Here, DHS is increasingly alleging that past green cards they were granted in error due to improper admission, insufficient proof of port of entry inspection, or flawed initial waiver documentation from years prior. Even individuals who have held permanent residency for 10 to 15 years are discovering that closed immigration files are being reopened and re-audited by federal agency. One of the primary catalysts triggering these removal notices is the Form N400 filing for naturalization. When a green card holder applies to become a US resident, USCIS officials they perform a comprehensive review of the applicant's entire immigration history, starting from their very first entry into the US. Well, if an officer identifies an administrative oversight made by immigration officials years ago, such as an incomplete inspection record, maybe conflicting statements during entry, or unverified secondary inspection document, DHS can argue that the initial green card was invalid. Well, instead of receiving naturalization oath date, applicants are served with a notice to appear and placed into formal proceedings to determine whether their underlying green card should be cancelled or not. In the meantime, international travel represents another high risk scenario, by the way. Under the US immigration law, green card holders returning from abroad, they are generally not considered applicants for admission. However, if Custom and Border Protection officers they flag past immigration violation or extended absentees, they could decline to grant formal admission. Instead, CBP officers may enter the traveler under deferred inspection, or maybe they can grant temporary immigration parole. Being admitted on payroll instead of formal entry changes an individual's legal standing, making it significantly easier for DHS to institute removal proceedings and issue an NTA. So, if you are a green card holder or you're planning to apply for a US citizenship, legal experts recommend taking three proactive steps to safeguard your status. Conduct full file audit. Well, request a copy of your complete immigration record through a Freedom of Information Act or FOIA request for filing any new application under USCIS. Verify port of entry proof. Ensure you possess physical documentation proving your original lawful admission into the country, such as paper I-94 record, entry stamp, or official travel receipt. Consult any consul before filing N400. If you had any prior entry issue, maybe border waiver or extended stay abroad, review your file with an experienced immigration attorney prior to submitting your Form N400. Let's summarize this. While holding a green card provides a significant right, federal organizations they are actively reviewing past files for any administrative error and status mistake here. Understand your complete immigration paper trail before applying for citizenship or embarking on extended international travel is essential to protecting your permanent residency in 2026.